Hello guys, today I will show you back-in exercise. The back-in exercise, they have 4 steps. So now I will show you first one. So now I will do step number 1. The step number 1 is forward stop. So judge a front of your vehicle during the control stop. So this is the front of your vehicle. So drive forward through to the alley and stop with the front of your vehicle inside the 3-foot box. So now I will show you 3-foot box. So this is a 3-foot box. So front of your vehicle has to be inside this 3-foot box. You are allowed only one time to stop. When you have stopped, put the vehicle neutral, brake set, and sound your horn. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. Vehicle is on. I'm going to release the parking brakes, put the vehicle drive forward, and I will stop with the front of my vehicle inside the 3-foot box. So I'm checking forward. So now I'm close to the 3-foot box. I'm going slowly and I will step on a brake. Vehicle neutral, brake set, and the sound the horn. So now I'm stepping outside and I will continue with next step. So I am inside the 3-foot box. So it was a successful test. So now I'm going to continue with next exercise. Thank you for watching. Okay, now I'm going to show you second step. The second step is straight line back. So drive forward and stop when your examiner raises his hand like this. And back your vehicle until you are front of your vehicle. This is the front of your vehicle. So until you are front of your vehicle past the last set of the cones. So now I'm going to show you last set of the cones. This is the last set of the cones. So your front of your vehicle has to pass last set of the cones. For this exercise, your examiner going to let you know how many pull-ups and how many looks. When you have stopped, put the vehicle neutral, brake set, and sound your horn. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. Now I'm starting the vehicle. Put the vehicle drive, release the parking brake, drive forward. So now I'm going to check the mirrors left side. When the examiner raises his hands up, I will stop the truck. I'm stopping the vehicle and I put the vehicle reverse and the back of the vehicle all the way back until the front of my vehicle clear the last set of the cones. So now I'm keeping vehicle straight back. I'm checking left and right to adjust my truck. So I'm checking the mirrors left and right. Almost past the last set of the cones. So now I've passed the last set of the cones. Vehicle neutral, brake set. I'm stepping outside to check if I passed the last set of the cones. Okay, I passed the last set of the cones. So now I'm going inside. I will sound the horn and finish this test. Now I'm stepping outside and I will continue with next step. So now I passed last set of the cones. So it was a successful test. So now I will continue with next step. Thank you for watching. So now I'm going to do step number 3. The step number 3 is forward offset tracking. So drive forward and steer to the left through to open opposite lane. So this is open opposite lane. the keep right rear trailer tires between the line and the cones without the stop. So now I'm going to show you rear trailer tires. The right rear trailer tires. So the right rear trailer tires has to be between the line and the cones. So now I'm going to show you the line and the cones. This is a line and the cones. So your right rear trailer tires has to pass between the line and the cones and go all the way up and finish by end of the cones. When you have finished, put the vehicle neutral, brake set, and sound your horn. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. So now I'm going to start the vehicle. I'm going to release the parking brake, put the vehicle drive forward. I will drive forward and I will steer to the left through the opening opposite lane, checking the mirrors left side to make sure I am not over the left cones. So I am good on the left side. So now I'm going to check mirrors on the right side, small mirrors, to make sure my right rear trailer tires pass in between the line and the cones without the stop. So I pass, was good. So now I'm straight up to the truck and I will finish up by the boundary lines. So vehicle neutral, brake set, sound the horn. So now I'm stepping outside to continue with next step. So now I finished the third exercise. So it was a successful test. So now I'm going to show you next exercise. Thank you for watching. I'm going to show you step number 4. Step number 4 is reverse offset back. Back your vehicle at end of the alley. Bring your rear of your vehicle. This is your rear of your vehicle inside the 3-foot box. So now I'm going to show you 3-foot box. So this is a 3-foot box. So your rear of your vehicle has to be inside the 3-foot box. So for this exercise, your examiner let you know how many pull-ups and how many looks. When you have finished, put the vehicle neutral, set your parking brake, and sound your horn. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. So now I'm going to start the vehicle. I release the parking brake. Vehicle reverse. I will back up straight, close to the right cones. I will turn the wheels to the left side. I'm going to be angled to right side. So now I'm going to turn wheels left side until truck and trailer is straight. I will straight up the wheels and I will continue straight back until I am close to the line. I will turn the wheels to the right side and I'm going to be angled on the left side. Now I'm turning wheels left side until truck and trailer is straight. The truck and trailer is straight. I will continue straight back until the rear vehicle is in the box. Now I'm set up the brakes, vehicle neutral. I will check outside, open the door. I will go all the way back and check if my rear vehicle is in a 3-foot box. So the rear is in a 3-foot box. On the left side I am straight. Checking right side. Right side I am straight. So now I'm going back. I will sound the horn and finish this test. The rear vehicle is inside the 3-foot box, so was successful test. So now I'm done with the back-end exercise. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my channel.